cutie, cute, cute, baby. Cutie, cute, cute, baby. Showtime.
But especially we understand that in certain jobs na kailangan talaga yung high profile image, yung overweight becomes an issue. But for all other jobs, it should not really be a factor, no? Kasi ang hinahanap naman talaga natin will be skills and attitude.
Cutie, cute, cute, B. Cutie, cute, cute. Cute, 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 cute. Banyak.
Payat pa siya nun.
Mas matagal naman ang panahon ko sa showbiz, yung payat ako. Pero it really affects me in the sense that it limits my choice of roles. I want to do love stories, pero parang hindi pa pwede. I have to wait. Gusto mo naman, mukha kang leading lady.